Today's lesson is on volume measurement. Earlier in a lesson, we were doing solid measurement. When we measure liquid, we want to make sure that we use containers that we can see through. The line, again, is called the meniscus. And when we measure, we want to measure against the meniscus so that we make sure we're measuring everything accurate. So let's say I want to measure 3 cups of milk. I want to get down, pour the milk in, and keep pouring till I'm exactly at the number 3. And the number 3 would be cups. There we go. You do have to be careful about bubbles. You really want to make sure that it's the line of measurement is what you're measuring against. Now, we don't use metric system. In this kitchen, we're using everything in US measurement. So the measurements we're using are teaspoons, tablespoons, quarts, pints, cups, and gallons. Those are the liquid measurements that we use. So if I wanted to measure a tablespoon of milk, it would be difficult to measure the tablespoon of milk over my bench without making a mess. So what I want to do is I want to go over something in case I overspill. Then it has something to pour into. And then once I get my tablespoon of milk, I want to take it and put it into something else because the tablespoon is just going to fall over. It's extremely important that when we're measuring liquids, it's all accurate, and we read our recipe carefully to make sure that the recipe is in volume and not by weight, because certain measurements that we do can be done by weight or volume, but they can't be intermixed. One of the things I want to say is that a gallon of water weighs 8 pounds, but a gallon of molasses weighs 9.5 pounds. So it's a lot heavier. So I can't mix weight and volume measurements. It's extremely important that we read our formulas and make sure we understand whether it's a volume or a weight. Thank you.